Mula sa isang fan, muli na naman ating basahin ang mga sentimiento ng 18. Well, say nila, just wanna drop an opinion. I'm on my silent fan mama era. I used to be really active to the point SB19 lang talaga ang umiikot ang pagiging fangirling world ko. I am hurt as a fan na makita na para bang mas sumasakses daw ang iba at napag-iiwanan na yung boys. But I remembered, the boys are really smart. Lahat ng ginagawa at plano nila for long-term stability nila. We all know na ang limelight, hindi yan forever. Nawawala. May iba na nasa taas, biglang lumalagapak. Ang SB19 dumaan sa years of training, took some time and years too to achieve popularity locally then internationally. Then, while working on that, took the opportunity to really be financially stable. Provided for their family, for themselves, nabibili na nila yung mga gusto nila na di nila nagagawa noon. Then made some time to grow on their own while still doing the first two I mentioned. Establish their own brands, business, solo careers, etc. while being still the SB19 we know, doing their 100% performing or 1000% performing as a group, going on a tour, releasing songs, doing content for us. Then, there's Onesie Entertainment. Who would have thought a boy group will build their own entertainment? Using their experience, talent, finance they've saved from their career and having people work for them, they have connected throughout their career kahit nung bago pa sila. Then, we're entering another new era bilang SB19 while introducing their new babies, ang Sonara. While still doing the other stuff I mentioned, and of course, a ton doing their own things too as a fan, keep uplifting the boys to a new height. So do I still feel hurt? Parang kagat lang ng langgam cause we all know everything that our boys do is quality. They earned it fair and square. It's like when they earn something, they earned it really well and deserve it. May hugot sa loob, kumbaga yung saya pag may na-achieve sila na bagong milestones sa career nila. It's like a mom, babies, kids, children. They are not all the same, they have different path, milestone, achievements they will get in life. I am happy that P-pop groups are gaining more momentum internationally. Yun naman talaga ang gusto din ng boys. Let's just all focus on them and be happy na para nyo din silang nakshi or anak na alam mong kayang-kaya na nilang mabuhay sa mundong kahit mag-retire ka na bilang magulang or dumating yung point na nasa dulo ka na lang bilang magulang. SB19 will just keep going up in all aspects. Let the others shine or magdiwang basta ang boys secured na yan hanggang sa retirement, hanggang sa kaapu-apuhan nila. They will just keep growing, building new groups, new heights for P-pop, and pretty sure they will still do amazing new ventures in 20 years. No one can beat what they have achieved and keep doing. That's why local and international artists, even legends, respect them. Kumbaga sa resume, you've hired na agad. Sabi nga hindi natin mapiplease lahat, pero hindi maikakaila at hindi mababago ng mga basher ang nasabi nga pong achievement ng SB19. Dahil talaga naman lahat tumatanda. Ang maganda lang na ini-establish ngayon ng SB19 at establish na nga kung tutuusin ay ang kanilang Onesie Entertainment. Na kahit na po sila ay mag-retired as P-pop, ay mayroon silang talent na pinoproduce kung saan sila po ay mananatiling may-ari ng Onesie Entertainment na ngayon nga po ay nakikilala na rin habang nagpo-produce sila ng mga bagong talent. Malay nyo, dumating ang panahon na yung ibang P-pop group ay Onesie Entertainment na rin ang humahawak. Yun ang lamang ng SB19. Hindi sila basta talent, sila isang owner ng isang kumpanya na ngayon ay kilala na. Nakita nyo ang pinroduce kamakailan lamang na Gigi, wala pa pong talagang formal na pagpapakilala, Isinabay lang nila itong ipakilala sa kanilang concert, pero grabe, pinag-uusapan, kilala at sikat na agad. Well, that's Tatak Onesie Entertainment na ginawa ng SB19. Lamang ang may alam, sabi nga nila. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.